Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Instagram and signing into the account to inspect. This is crucial because linked accounts are account-specific. Once done, tap your profile, then the top right menu, and choose Settings and Privacy. This takes you to Connections. Make sure the app is updated and your connection is stable. Otherwise, link lists may not load. You do this first so later steps show accurate linked accounts and avoid confusion between personal and business profiles. Now you navigate to Account Center, or Account Center, inside Settings. This centralizes linked profiles. You tap Connected Experiences to view login integration, story and post sharing, and payment methods. This explains why things sync across apps. If you see Facebook or WhatsApp listed, tap each to see details and permissions. Make sure to review which profile is linked for logins versus content sharing, because removing one can affect cross-posts. Finally, confirm or remove links from the Manage section. Tap a linked account to see permissions, then choose Remove to unlink or toggle sharing options to adjust behavior. You do this to control cross-posting and privacy. Once removed, check login methods so you don't get locked out. If unlinking fails, clear the app cache, update Instagram, and re-login. This fixes most sync or display issues. If problems persist, try unlinking from the other app too. Then repeat these steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.